In this video, we're going to show you what's new with our integrations and notifications section of NetBeez. So when you go to settings, we now have two sections we're going to deal with. We're going to start with integrations, so this is new. As you'll see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 integrations, so PagerDuty. All you'll need is your API key. Slack, you'll need your webhook. Splunk, you'll need your token, your server URL. Syslogs, you'll need your host and your port number. SNMP with your server information. Teams, webhook, ServiceNow, FQD and username password, and a webhook, just a webhook URL. Well, what you'll notice is there's nothing else here other than just turning it on and off once you click save. And the reason for that is when you go to notification section, this is where you configure each integration. So previously, all you could do was enable alerts and incidents, and that was it. It was across the board. Now you can do it based off of you can do it on your agents, you can do it on your targets or your Wi-Fi profiles. You can do both alerts and incidents. And then we have this aggregate alert. And how that aggregate alert works is as soon as, say, one of your agents goes into alert status with one of the web pages you're monitoring, it's going to wait a few more tests before it alerts you. And if it sees another agent have the same exact issue, it'll reset that timer. It wants to grab as many alerts as possible that are of the same target or of the same agent and send it as one alert. So that way, if a website goes down, you get one alert saying all of your agents can't reach it, not 15 alerts saying each one of these agents can't reach it. So that's a really nice improvement. And then lastly, we have ServiceNow. Webhooks is new as well, but ServiceNow in particular, this will allow you to automatically open and close tickets is how we have it designed. So you can do the device alerts, you can do agent incidents as well as target incidents and Wi-Fi profile incidents, because these particular settings are going to be far less noisy and you'll be able to utilize ServiceNow with NetBeez. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at success@netbeez.net.